Yo guys, welcome back, and today we are um doing today's weather forecast on September 16th, 2020. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are back from the break, but as you guys can see, um uh first things first. This this forecast was from yesterday. This circle is where the storm is currently, so it's about over there. Let's go to the next slide. We're gonna talk about Hurricane Teddy. So we'll just read the text here. Already a Cat 2. Yesterday was a tropical storm. Yeah, so yesterday it was about here, a strong tropical storm. And then it just boosted overnight to a 85 miles per hour Category 2 hurricane. And it's forecasted to become a Cat 4. I didn't show that into this video. But that was a quick intensification. But hold on. Okay. But now we're gonna go to the models. The GEFS, so you can follow the arrow. That's pretty much where it's heading. It becomes a pretty strong storm of a 958 millibar. Most of them take it to like a 950, 940. This is Tropical Storm Sally at the moment. This looks like an eye or a center of circulation. Or this looks like an eye of where it's spinning, but mostly it looks like right here over Alabama, because that's where most of the higher cloud tops are. But right here is where it's mostly spinning around. So that's a question that we can ask. But we'll talk about the outside temperatures and stuff like that. So today, I circled the highest temperatures in the nation. No, the two highest temperatures in the nation, which they're in the 100, which that was today at 11 p.m. Yeah, that was at 7 p.m. EDT, Eastern Time Zone. So basically this area. But Phoenix, I believe, 107 right here. And Las Vegas is 102, which is pretty warm. Well, not pretty warm, it's very hot. And temperatures here where I live warmed up today. Pretty nice, but we'll get to that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a satellite that's actually moving, so if you can see right here, it looks like it's spinning from right there, but actually now I'm saying that it looks like right there. Oh, right here, look at this. Right there is a spin up of activity, but this looks like the main circulation. But this area right here is spinning the most. Yeah, these are the temperatures, models. We'll talk about. We'll look at the official 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook. Daddy is a hurricane, Sally's a tropical storm, Vicky is gonna dissipate, so we're not gonna be talking about that. And 3 disturbances, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This one looks pretty good. Not much to talk about. Whoa, why did I just say that? There's a Katrina out in the Eastern Pacific, but luckily it's not that bad as the Katrina we all know about. But oh, look at this tweet. Hurricane Sally made landfall right there near Pensacola, Florida. Hurricane Ivan made landfall in the same exact place. That is kind of cool. These are the temperatures. Oh, I forgot I have my webcam on, but yeah. When was this? It's forecast to become a Cat 2 now? No, a Cat 3? It was a forecast to be Cat 4, like right there. But yeah, it was forecast to be Cat 4, but now Cat 2, now Cat 3. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next tropical update. Or, well, yeah, the next tropical update. Bye!